In this video, San Diego Sheriff deputies confront a man in Spring Valley holding a bed frame. The video begins with a 911 call, followed by 3 different point-of-view body cams.
We've got a problem. Guy we've been trying to get evicted, and so far, no luck. Now he just confronted here with a bed frame threatening to attack him. And we've had the sheriff out here twice before on this guy, and he gets violent. And send out here, this guy, he's driving us crazy. Is there someone available?
A deputy is certainly available. It is available. What's the address?
The address is 3605 South Barcelona Street. And that's in Spring Valley. Yeah.
What unit are you associated with there?
What unit? This is a private. Oh, it's a single dwelling house.
Oh, okay. So is he a neighbor or he's a roommate?
No, he lives here.
Okay.
We've been trying to get him evicted. He doesn't pay rent. He won't pay rent. And we just threatened to tell him, look, if you don't calm down, we're going to call the sheriff. And his response has always been, call him. I don't care. You go ahead and call him. I'll fight him. They can kill me. They can take him out. He's not stable.
I did confirm. They said it's only those 2 and one guy here.
Anybody else inside the house?
They said no.
Everybody's out.
That's what they said, yes.
Okay. We can walk out.
Santos, it's time to come out, man. Just drop it and come out.
Is alright, you want to walk out with the dog?
Yeah, let me.
Get the dog out of here?
Watch out.
Is that dog gonna walk out?
It's time to come out, Dave. Drop it.
Alright. Here, I'm gonna come over here.
Hold on, he's behind the
What we
wall
got?
right there. You're not gonna get a good shot. You're not gonna get a good
Santa, what are you doing, dude? Remember me? Listen, I'm gonna come over here, we're gonna tase you, it's gonna hurt like hell. Or you could just drop all that. I'm not really worried about that.
Try to talk him through. If he doesn't come out, then we'll resort to it.
Are you wanting to do the dog? Because I'll just go over here and I'll tase him.
You guys are not going to move with him with that stick in his hand.
Oh, I'll go right there and do it.
He's saying he wants to.
Why do you want me to do that to you? I'm not worried about it. Here, you want to come up with?
Is he?
You think I'm worried about? You think I'm worried about that stick? If you throw it, you got nothing. Here, you want to throw it? Come on. I'm gonna open this door. Okay.
Take it easy.
How do we open this door?
Which door? He wants.
Taser! Shot fire! Hey! Hands! Move up here! Hands!
Get him up.
I got him. Alright, let's get him. Hey, throw me cuffs.
Got it.
Let's get cuffs. Hey, put out shots fired. No one's hurt. Here, I'm gonna come over here.
Hold on, he's behind.
What we got?
Right there. You're not gonna get a good shot.
Santa, what are you doing, dude? Remember me? Listen, I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna tase you. It's gonna hurt like hell. Or you could just drop all that. I'm not really worried about that.
Try to talk him through. If he doesn't come out, then we'll resort to it. But you guys
Are you wanting to do the dog? Because I'll just go over here and I'll tase him.
You guys are not going to move with him with that stick in his hand.
Oh, I'll go right there and do it.
He's saying he wants to.
Why do you want me to do that to you? I'm not worried about it. Here, you want to come up with?
Is he?
You think I'm worried about? You think I'm worried about that stick? If you throw it, you got nothing. Here, you want to throw it?
Come on. No.
Come on.
Come on.
I'm gonna open this door.
Come on.
Here.
Come on.
Well, how do we open this door?
Which door?
Taser! Shot fired! Hey! Hands! Move up here! Hands! I got him! Alright, let's get him. Hey, throw me cuffs.
Got it.
Let's get cuffs. Hey, here, I'm gonna come over here.
Hold on, he's behind the
What we
wall
got?
right there. You're not gonna get a good shot. You're not gonna get a good
Santa, what are you doing, dude? Remember me? Listen, I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna tase you. It's gonna hurt like hell. Or you could just drop all that. I'm not really worried about that.
Try to talk him through. If he doesn't come out, then we'll resort to it.
Are you wanting to do the dog? Because I'll just go over here and I'll tase him.
You guys are not going to move with him with that stick in his hand.
Oh, I'll go right there and do it. Why do you want me to do that to you? I'm not worried about it. You want to come up with...
Is he?
You think I'm worried about that stick? If you throw it, you got nothing. Here, you want to throw it? Come on. I'm gonna open this door.
You got stick? How do we open this door? You let it go? You let it go?
Danger!
No, he did it.
Hey, here. Come on, here.
Hey, Ellie.
Let's go inside because we're done over here. Careful. Pull out of the way.
Hey, shots fired. No one's hurt. Let's get medics here. Let's get medics here right now.
I got it.
Let's get medics here. Let's get medics here right now.
Hold his arm up.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, we got the suspect here. Hey, we got to start rendering aid. Check his legs.
What are you gonna
Check his legs.
Come on.
Get outside. Yeah, you're going to have to get the people in here. We got tourniquets on us. Get medics ready for us. Let's try and move. Get a pat down on him.
Okay, he's good on this side. He's good on this
that
side.
sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's check the other side. Check the other side. We're going to have to apply pressure to these injuries, guys. Take it easy. Wait outside. We're going to move him over here. We're going to start doing first aid on him.
Let's go inside.
He's got a gunshot wound. Come on. We're just going to move him slowly. Here. Come on, Marac. You okay? Come on. Don't lose my taser right there. Come here. Somewhere where the medics can work on him easy. Do we want to do this outside? We probably want him here. We want him here.
Right here.
Let's find out where those wounds are. He's hit here.
Yep.
Here, start finding these wounds. Someone go grab us a first aid kit.
I see it in the back, but I don't see where.
Well, he was shot in the front. He turned to the side.
Turn him.
All right, we got a shot right over there.
Okay.
Hey,
Okay.
Marac, you
It's
okay?
on the side. It's on the side.
All right, we got. Get this shit.
He's one right here in the stomach. There's one
Okay,
right
yeah,
here in the
there is.
stomach.
Okay, let's get
Let's get a chest seal. Chest
hey,
seal.
go grab a chest seal.
Yeah, get nice and good.
Okay. Hey,
Okay, stay with
okay?
us. Stay with us.
All right.
Stay with us. Stay with us.
Find these wounds. It's right there in the chest. Start applying pressure on that.
Oh, hey, no, don't.
You okay?
Can I turn him so I can pull this down?
Here, move him this way.
It's on the side.
Okay, here, let's get this
Okay, that's a
open.
Grace, and there's one here.
I don't see
Marac,
the chest wound.
face us so we can help you, dude. Face us so we can help you, dude. There you go. Let's help you.
Yeah, you got one right here in the chest.
Right.
Okay, you got a chest seal?
Hey,
Somebody get a chest seal.
grab. It's not really.
It's not bleeding, dude.
Okay, that one is.
Yeah.
Hold. It's down here. It's
on
down
the
here on his
side.
left.
Here, cut the tank.
It's a Grace.
It's down on the left.
Here, cut everything.
Good call.
Give me that. Go.
Right down there.
Right here.
Grab
Just
okay,
cut
I
it.
don't.
Just cut it.
Down
Yeah,
lower.
Cut it all out. Cut it all
Find
out.
it, find it,
Yeah,
find it.
get us light, guys. Just light. We need light. You see where it is?
This is the only one I
It's
see.
right there
No,
on this
there's
side.
another one here.
Where?
There's one here, one
Okay,
there.
just keep pressure on that. And they get a chest seal. Let's get a chest seal.
Stand by. Yep. He's setting up a perimeter. Gonna concentrate. Chest seal right here.
Good pressure, guys. Good pressure.
Yep.
Here, this one. Just seal this. All right, dude.
Keep talking. Go ahead. Keep talking.
Okay.
Keep talking, Santo. Stay with us, bud. Stay with us, bud. Hold it right there. Is that gonna seal, dude? Is that gonna seal with the whole thing around it? Don't you just apply it just like that?
There we go.
Yes, yes.
There we go.
You're clear. Anything else? Let's keep checking him. See if he's got the holes.
I
I
can't
got
check. I
3
can
shots
only-
off.
Yeah.
I got 3
there was
off.
3.
There was 3.
I'm
So we
seeing
have 2
wounds.
accounted
If we
for.
need to cut his clothes, we can cut his clothes.
Okay.
Danny, you know what you can do right now? Go
Stay
grab
down,
your taser over
buddy.
there.
Stay down, buddy. Stay down.
It's right there in the walkway.
Okay, so it may have been just two. This one and this one. Check his leg. Check his leg. Make sure he's not bleeding from the legs.
Not yet.
I can't do that with one
Okay,
hand.
just stay like that. Where's the shears?
Dude, we need another
Where's the
person.
shears?
Let me get through here, please. Can you move the other way so I don't step over
This
it?
way? Oh.
His hand's got blood.
No?
No, he's got blood in his hands.
I know there's blood coming from the back, but I
Okay.
don't
Do
know
we
how
want to...
Sheriff Department, if you're here.
know how I can check that.
Can we roll him to his right? Marac, we got to roll you to the right, dude. You want to go that way? Here, roll that way so we can help you. Roll that way. There you go, dude. Light on him.
I got nothing here. No exit wound either.
It looks like two.
So one here, and the other one may have missed.
Yeah.
Check this leg real quick.
I'm not seeing anything down there.
Check his leg this one.
Let me die.
Keep talking, bud. Keep talking.
Let me
Keep talking. Stay with me, okay? Stay with me. Keep breathing.
Oh, that was not.
Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Oh, that was not.
Nothing? Come on, Marac.
I don't know if it's on that side, on that hip, like
Okay,
maybe.
no, there's nothing on that side.
Okay, I don't see anything
Okay.
there.
You okay? Doing all right?
I don't see anything.
He's doing good. He's doing really good. Stay with us, bud.
That chest
Stay with us,
seals.
okay? Stay with us.
Sit on?
Listen, I don't think we're supposed to put...
Yeah. It's
I
three
think
sides.
it's
Yeah,
supposed to
it's
go
not all four.
straight.
It's three sides. Okay, just keep that pressure on it. Just keep that pressure.
Yeah, I got it. Stay with us, bud. Stay with us, okay? Medics are here. Stay with us. Stay with us.
I don't like the pain. Put me in there.
Okay, okay.
And
Yeah,
we
okay.
gotta help you
You're
out
good,
with
bro.
that.
Okay, we're gonna help you out, all right? We're gonna help you.
I got nothing left. I got nothing left. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Chill out, okay?
They're the end of my life, yeah. Yeah, he saved me for a long time. Yeah. I would die in pain.
Yeah, okay, good. Just stay with me, okay? All right, bud? I know you're hurting. I know you're hurting.
How do I get this to be?
What's up?
Baba, and then I can't wait to die there. I can't die.
Only, we're seeing.
Everything I can do
One
everything.
shot, man. It was
I
two
like to
shots,
get-
Yeah,
but I think
I
we
know.
only grazed him.
So, there's holes right here. I don't know. That can't be from taser. I'm.
No.
Maddox here.
What's your name?
Santos.
Santos. He's got one right here. It's not bleeding at all. This one's bleeding pretty good.
Pretty good.
Okay. Give me your tummy shirts out.
Give me the door!
No, chill out, okay? Try to calm down. You want your blood pressure to go up.
I know I did that to me. That's the end of my life.
You said this one's
This
Yeah,
one's
that was
bleeding
bleeding.
pretty good.
Yeah.
okay. Let's get a trauma. Is there anything that I can help with, or you guys need the room right here?
Oh, no, this is...
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take that and then get
Pictures.
chest seal.
Some tape to cover this. Was it
want me to-
spurting?
It wasn't. Sorry, say it again.
Was it spurting or no?
No, but
No.
all this blood is from it. I believe.
Okay.
Do you want me to move my
Yeah,
hand with
yeah.
the pad?
Yeah.
I can't move. I can't move. You alone. I can't move. I'm paralyzed. Yeah. Okay. I can't move.
What do we got?
2 wounds, one to the hip and one to the abdomen.
Just relax. We're gonna help you. We're gonna help you.
Up now and we'll get moved over.
Copy. You need a mega mover?
Yeah, please.
I know I did this. Everything is okay. And then,
Yep, everything's okay.
Yeah, I can't die.
Yeah. I'm gonna move this back. Copy. Still helping with first aid. Do you have an exit wound?
I have not even had a chance to look yet.
We look, there's no exit wound in the back.
I just keep pressure.
Oh, there was 2 shots. I haven't.
Yeah, head first.
Yeah.
We got our clinical dressing on the abdomen.
And then they had that on the abdomen there. I put that on the hip right now.
Okay.
And the hip's controlled, and they said that wasn't really bleeding. So
Let's get moved.
here we go.
When we roll them, check the back for an exit.
Yeah.
Alright, roll them to that side. Roll to your right side.
Oh, what?
There you go. Got a light. That exit? Yeah, that's exit out.
Yeah.
Right butt cheek. I don't see any exit out.
There's one door that's blocked from the inside here.
Move on to your left side.
Hey,
There you go.
Devin, is there a window on the outside that you can look in? Yeah, look at
Here, move down. Yeah, there you go. Alright, coming out.
Are we able to
Head
get
first.
those cuffs off on the back?
Head up that way.